Namaste parents, hello children, this is AJ. Welcome back to our session. We are learning 10th standard CBSE Mathematics, Introduction to Trigonometry. We have already learned the ratios 0, 30, 60, 45 and 90 degrees. In case if you missed the session, please go through my previous video. Now let us start exercise 8.2 children. First question children, evaluate the following sin 60 degrees cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees and cos 60. We'll first write the values of sin 60 cos 30 and sin 30 cos 60. Then we can simplify the question. Here we have the values children. Sin 30 equal to 1 by 2, sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2, cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2, cos 60 equal to 1 by 2. Let's substitute the values here. Sin 60 root 3 by 2 and cos 30 root 3 by 2 here plus sin 30 how much? 1 by 2 into cos 60 how much? 1 by 2 again. Here nothing is there means multiplication children. So here I am putting multiplication symbol. Now root 3 into root 3 it is 3 divided by 2 into 2 4 plus 1 into 1 1 divided by 2 into 2 4 1 by 4 here. Take LCM as 4 now. 3 plus 1 in numerator. Now this is 4 by 4 children, that equal to 1. Right? 1 is the answer. Second question children. 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees. First write the values of tan 45, cos 30, sin 60. Then it will be easy for you to solve the question. Here we have the values children. Tan 45 degrees equal to 1, cos 30 degrees equal to root 3 by 2, sin 60 degrees equal to root 3 by 2. Let's substitute the values. 2 into tan square 45. Tan 45 is 1 square, right? Plus cos square 30. Cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2 square minus sin square 60. Sin 60 also root 3 by 2. Sin square they have given, so here also square. Right children? 2 into 1 square equal to 1 plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Root 3 into root 3, that is 3, 2 into 2, 4. Root 3 by 2 whole square equal to 3 by 4. Minus here also root 3 by 2 whole square, 3 by 4 children. 2 into 1, this is 2, plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. 0, right? 2 plus 0, answer is 2 here. Third question children, cos 45 degrees divided by secant 30 degrees plus cosecant 30 degrees. First we'll write the values of these given ratios. These are the values children. Cos 45 degrees equal to 1 by root 2. Secant 30 degrees equal to 2 by root 3. Cosecant 30 degrees equal to 2. Substitute the values here. Cos 45 that equal to 1 by root 2 divided by secant 30 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 30 it is 2. Right children? Now first we'll solve the denominator here. 1 by root 2 let it be here. 2 by root 3 plus 2. 2 by root 3 plus 2, that means 2 by 1. Okay? That equal to 1 and root 3 LCM root 3. Root 3 ones are 1 into 2, 2 plus 1 root 3 is root 3 into 2, 2 root 3. Right children? Here also 2, here also 2. Let's take 2 common. This is only denominator part children. So let's take 2 common here. 1 plus root 3 and by root 3. Correct children? This is only denominator part. Let's substitute the value in denominator. That is 2 into 1 by 1 plus root 3. 2 into 1 plus root 3 divided by root 3. Now again we have to solve. Now this will be the reciprocal children. The denominator will be the reciprocal of this. That means 1 divided by root 2 into root 3 divided by 2 of 1 plus root 3. Correct? Now after this equal to 1 into root 3. Root 3 divided by root 2 into 2. 2 root 2 into 1 plus root 3. We can multiply the whole thing in denominator. Root 3 by 2 root 2 into 1, that is 2 root 2. 2 root 2 into root 3, that is 2 root 2 into root 3, it is root 6. We can simplify more by rationalize the denominator. Let's check how to do that also. This one I can write it as root 3 divided by, just I am changing the order for simplification. 2 root 6 plus 2 root 2. Is it correct? Now we want to rationalize the denominator. That means we have to multiply this one into 2 root 6 minus 2 root 2 in denominator and numerator also. So here I am doing into 2 root 6 minus 2 root 2. Correct children? Divided by 2 root 6 minus 2 root 2 here also. Now this one will be root 3 into 2 root 6. That equal to 2 into root 6 and root 3. That is, I am writing like this. After that we can simplify. Minus 2 into root of 2 into 3. Correct. Let it be here. Divided by a plus b into a minus b. Here a value is 2 root 6 and b value is 2 root 2. That means a square minus b square, right? So 2 root 6 whole square minus b square is 2 root 2 whole square. Correct children? Now we can solve this one. 2 into 6 I can write it as 3 into 2 into one more 3 here minus 2 of 2 into 3. 2 root of 2 into 3 divided by 2 root 6 whole square. 2 square is 4 and root 6 square is 6. 4 6 are 24 minus 2 root 2 whole square. 2 square is 4 and root 2 square is 2. 4 into 2 it is 8 children. Now you see in numerator 3 3, that means 3 square is inside the root. We can take it out. 2 into 3 into this will come outside and root 2 will be there. Minus here 2 into root 6 divided by 24 minus 8 it is 16. See here children, we have 2 here and 2 here. We can take it outside. That means 2 outside in brackets 3 root 2 minus root 6. Correct? Divided by 16 here. 2 ones are 2 eights are. What is the final answer children? 3 root 2 minus root 6 divided by 8 is the final answer. Now fourth question children, sine 30 degrees plus tan 45 degrees minus cosecant 60 degrees divided by secant 30 degrees cos 60 degrees plus cot 45 degrees. Let's write the values first. These are the values children. Let's substitute the values in given question. First one sine 30 degrees, that is 1 by 2 plus tan 45 degrees 1 minus cosecant 60 degrees 2 by root 3 divided by secant 30 degrees 2 by root 3 plus cos 60 degrees 1 by 2 children plus cot 45 degrees it is 1. First we solve the numerator part. Here we take LCM 2 root 3 here. 2 ones are 2. Root 3 is the remaining one. Root 3 into 1, root 3. Plus 1 means you have to write 2 root 3 minus, because it is minus here. Root 3 ones are root 3, 2 is the remaining. 2 into 2 it is 4. Divided by, now denominator part, here also 2 root 3 is in denominator. LCM. Root 3 ones are root 3, 2 into 2 it is 4. Plus 2 ones are 2, root 3 into 1, root 3. Plus 2 root 3 here. Let's simplify. Root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 here in numerator. Divided by denominator is 2 root 3. Correct children? And this will be the reciprocal. Into denominator will come to numerator. 2 root 3 divided by 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. Here 2 root 3 will get cancelled. Now see here, root 3 plus 2 root 3. Here I can take root 3 common. 1 plus 2 minus 4 here, right? Here also 4 plus root 3 I can take common, that means 1 plus 2. Correct? That equal to root 3 root 3 I can write. Here 1 plus 2 is 3, no? 3 root 3 minus 4 here. Here also 3 root 3 plus 4 here. Correct children? Let's rationalize this value children. That means we have to multiply with 3 root 3 minus 4 in numerator as well as in denominator also. Let's start. 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 3 root 3 plus 4 it is. Now multiplication with 3 root 3 minus 4. And here also 3 root 3 minus 4 children, right? Here 3 root 3 minus 4 here, 3 root 3 minus 4 here. That means a minus b into a minus b. That means a minus b whole square. Correct? That is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a square is 3 root 3 whole square minus 2ab. 2 into a is 3 root 3. 2 into 3 root 3 into 4 plus b square is 4 square. Correct children? Now in denominator this is a plus b into a minus b form. That means a square minus b square will come. 3 root 3 whole square minus 4 square. Now we'll solve. 3 root 3 square. 3 3s are 9. Root 3 square is 3. 9 into 3 is 27. Minus 2 4s are 8. 8 into 3, 24 root 3 children. Plus 16 here. And in denominator 3 root 3 whole square. 9 into 3, 27 minus 16. Correct? Now what is the final answer children? 27 plus 16 that equal to 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 27 minus 16. It is 11. Correct children? This is the final answer. Fifth question children. 5 cos square 60 plus 4 secant square 30 minus tan square 45 divided by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. Here already we have the values. Let's substitute the values here. 5 cos square 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Here they have given square. Right children? Plus 4. Secant 30 is 2 by root 3. Square means here also square. And tan square 45. Tan 45 is 1 square. Divided by sin square 30. Sin 30 1 by 2 children. Square means 1 by 2 whole square. Plus cos square 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 square. Correct? Now solve this one. 5 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 4. Plus 4 into 2 square, that means 4 divided by root 3 square, that is 3. Minus 1 square is 1. Divided by, in denominator now, 1 by 2 whole square. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. 1 by 4 it is. Plus root 3 square it is 3 divided by 2 square is 4. Clear children? This equal to 5 into 1 by 4. That means 5 by 4 plus 4 into 4 by 3. 4 4s are 16 by 3. Minus 1 in denominator 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. See here. 4 is LCM, 1 plus 3 here. That means 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1 divided by 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is nothing but 1 children. Right? Now we have to solve only numerator part. Now this is equal to 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1. Now take LCM, 4 and 3 LCM, it is 12. 4 3s are 3 into 5, 15 plus 3 4s are 4 into 16, 64 minus 12 here. Now 15 minus 12 it is 3, 3 plus 64 it is 67 divided by 12. 67 by 12 is the final answer, children. Question 2, children. Choose the correct option and justify your answer. First one, 2 tan 30 degrees divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degrees. Here they have given options also. First we will evaluate this one. We know tan 30 degrees equal to 1 by root 3, children. Let's substitute the value here. 2 tan 30, that is 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus tan square 30. That means 1 by root 3 whole square, right? This equal to 2 into 1 by root 3, that is 2 by root 3, children, divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square. 1 square is 1, root 3 square is 3. Correct, children? Now this will be 2 by root 3 here into, this will be the reciprocal. Here 1 plus 1 by 3 equal to 4 by 3. See here, 1 3s are 3 plus 1, it is 4 by 3, children. So this value is 4 by 3. That means the reciprocal of 4 by 3 is 3 by 4. Correct, children? So here 2 1s are, 2 2s are. Correct? Now 3 divided by 2 root 3. I can write 3 equal to root 3 into root 3, children. Correct? Root 3 square equal to 3. Divided by 2 root 3 here. Root 3 will get cancelled. What is the answer? Root 3 by 2. Now we'll check the options here. Check options, children. Sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 60 equal to 1 by 2. Tan 60 equal to root 3. And sin 30 equal to 1 by 2. Our answer is root 3 by 2. So which one is correct? Option A, sin 60 root 3 by 2. This is correct answer. Second question, children. 1 minus tan square 45 degrees divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. We already know the value of tan 45, that equal to 1. Let's substitute the value here. This equal to 1 minus tan square 45. That means 1 square. Divided by 1 plus tan square 45 again. Tan 45 is 1, square means 1 square. 1 minus 1 square value, it is 1 here. Again 1 plus 1 square, children. 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Divided by 1 plus 1 is 2, children. 0 by 2 is 0, children. Now check the options here. D is 0 because tan 90 equal to not defined. And 1 is not correct, and C option sin 45, it is 1 by root 2. So D option is correct, that is 0. Question 3, children. Sin 2A equal to 2 sin A is true when A value is 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees. Here you check the question, children. Sin 2A, here we are multiplying angle with 2, and here 2 into sin A. There is a difference, right, children? Let us try first option, 0 degrees, children. Sin 2A means 0 degrees, right? So that means sin 0 degrees. Sin 0 degrees is 0. Now we'll check right hand side also. Right hand side 2 into sin A. 2 into sin A. A means 0 degrees. We know sin 0 is 0. So 2 into 0 is 0. So here also 0, here also 0. LHS equal to RHS only with 0, children. So option A is correct. Now fourth question, children. 2 tan 30 degrees divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degrees. Right? We already know that tan 30 degrees equal to 1 by root 3. Let's substitute the value here. 2 tan 30. Tan 30 means 1 by root 3. Right? 1 by root 3. Divided by 1 minus tan square 30. That means 1 by root 3 whole square, children. This equal to 2 into 1 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square. 1 square is 1, root 3 square is 3. Correct, children? Now 2 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3. Take LCM 3 minus 1 here. Numerator 2 by root 3 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2 by 3. Now after this 2 by root 3, this will be the reciprocal into 3 by 2. Correct, children? 2 will get cancelled. Root 3 is 3. Correct, because 3 I can write it as root 3 into root 3. One root 3 will get cancelled. Another root 3 will be here. So what is the answer here? Root 3 is the final answer. Now we'll check the options. See the first option, children. Cos 60 equal to 1 by 2. Sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2. Tan 60 equal to root 3. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Our answer is root 3. That means option C is correct. Question 3, children. If tan a plus b equal to root 3 and tan a minus b equal to 1 by root 3 and condition is 0 degrees less than a plus b less than or equal to 90 degrees, then find a and b values. Here they have given tan a plus b equal to root 3. Right, children? That means I can write tan a plus b equal to root 3 means which degrees it is root 3? That is tan 60. Correct, children? So here it is tan a of a plus b equal to tan 60 degrees. Now we can make a plus b equal to 60 from this one. Let it be here, first equation. Now see this part, children. Tan a minus b equal to 1 by root 3. So I can write tan a minus b equal to, in which value tan equal to 1 by root 3? That means tan 30 degrees. Correct. Tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3. Check the table, children. Learn the table and learn all the values properly. So now tan a minus b equal to tan 30. That means we can make a minus b equal to 30 degrees. Right. This is the second equation. Now see first and second equation. If you add these equations, we will get one value. Now add 1 plus 2. Correct. So that means a plus b equal to 60 and down you write a minus b equal to 30. This is the first one and this is the second one. We are adding these two. Correct, children? So here a plus a, this is 2a plus b minus b, 0, that equal to 90 degrees. 2a equal to 90 degrees. From this we can write a equal to 90 degrees divided by 2. That means 45 degrees. A value is 45 degrees. A plus b, we already know that 60 degrees. Let's substitute this value in a plus b to find out b value. From this one, children, a plus b equal to 60. Right? That means a equal to 45 plus b equal to, we have to find out this value. From this one, b equal to 60 degrees minus 45. That equal to 15 degrees. Right, children? A is 45, b is 15 degrees. Now fourth question, children. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. First one, sine of a plus b equal to sine a plus sine b. Let us check this one. Let's try with a equal to 30 degrees and b equal to 60 degrees, children. First we'll check LHS side. That means this part. So sine of a plus b. That means a is 30 plus b is 60. Right? This is equal to sine 30 plus 60 is 90 degrees, children. What is sine 90? It is 1. Now we'll check RHS value. This part, sine A, that means sine 30 degrees plus sine B, that is sine 60 degrees. Because we took A is 30, B is 60. Now sine 30, children, it is 1 by 2. And sine 60, children, it is root 3 by 2. Right? Let's take LCM. It is 2 and 1 plus root 3 by 2. Now check here. Sine A plus B. That means 30 plus 60 is now sine 90, 1. and this value is 1 plus root 3 by 2. So here LHS is not equal to RHS. So our statement is false, children. Now see the second statement, children. The value of sine theta increases as theta increases. So we know sine values. Let us write sine 0 equal to 0 and sine 30 degrees. It is 1 by 2 and sine 45 degrees 1 by root 2, children. Sine 60 degrees root 3 by 2 and sine 90 degrees it is 1. Now see, children, sine 0 degrees equal to 0, sine 30 that means 1 by 2 equal to 0.5. Sine 45 degrees 1 by root 2 it is 0.707, children, and sine 60 degrees root 3 by 2 that is 0.866, and sine 90 equal to 1. Here you observe the values 0, after that 0.5 increasing. As theta is increasing, see here 0 to 30. Now this also increasing. Now 30 to 45, theta is increasing here 0.5 to 0.7. This is also increasing, and 45 to 60, 60 to 90. So the value is increasing. That means this statement is true. Correct, children? Third statement, the values of cos theta increases as theta increases. Let us see cos theta values also. Cos 0 degrees equal to 1, cos 30 equal to 0.866, that is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 equal to 1 by root 2, 0.707. Cos 60 equal to 1 by 2, that is 0.5. Cos 90 equal to 0. Now check the values. Here theta is increasing 0 to 30, 30 to 45, 45 to 60 and 90 increasing. But here see the answers 1, 0.8, 0.7, 0.5 and 0. It is decreasing. So this statement is false. Right, children? Fourth statement, children, sin theta equal to cos theta. For all the values of theta, is it correct or not? Let us check sin and cos values. Let's check the values of sin and cos here. Sin 0 is 0, 30 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 91. Here cos is going reverse order. That means 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. This already we know. Here they are telling sin theta equal to cos theta for all the values. No, only for 45 degrees it is same. So this statement is false statement. Now fifth statement, children, cot A is not defined for A equal to 0. A equal to 0 degrees, children. What is the cot A formula? It is equal to cos A divided by sin A, right? Now we will check A with 0 degrees. Okay. So cos 0 degrees divided by sin 0 degrees. Cos 0 degrees equal to 1 divided by sin 0 degrees equal to 0. What is 1 by 0, children? It is not defined. Now see our statement. Cot A is not defined for A equal to 0 degrees. That means that statement is true. Thank you very much, children.